Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data in Python. Understanding fundamental data structures is your crucial first step. Python offers simple ways to store information using variables, lists, and dictionaries. Variables hold single values, such as a number or a text string. Lists allow you to store ordered collections of items, like a series of daily temperatures. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs, perfect for organizing related information. These building blocks are essential for managing data effectively, preparing you for more complex tasks. Once you grasp basic structures, you will often work with external data. Python, especially with the Pandas library, makes loading data from various file types straightforward. You can easily read a comma-separated values file with just one line of code. After loading, it is vital to inspect your data. Functions like head show the first few rows, giving you a quick preview. The info method provides a summary of data types and non-null values. Understanding your dataset's shape and content upfront helps prevent errors during analysis. Raw data is rarely perfect, often containing missing values or inconsistencies. A crucial step is data cleaning to ensure accuracy. You can handle missing entries by either filling them with a sensible value, like the average, or by removing rows or columns that have too many gaps. Identifying and removing duplicate entries, perhaps finding 120 repeated records, also ensures your analysis is based on unique observations. This meticulous preparation improves the reliability and validity of your final insights, making your data truly usable. With clean data, you can now perform meaningful analysis to extract valuable insights. Python provides powerful tools for calculating descriptive statistics, helping you understand data's central tendency and spread. You can easily find the mean, median, and mode for numerical columns. Grouping data by specific categories helps observe patterns. For example, an average sales increase of 10% in one region. Visualizing your findings with libraries like Matplotlib helps present complex information clearly, turning numbers into understandable stories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.